In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to remove a Samsung account from your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Let's get started. Removing a Samsung account from your Galaxy phone is fairly straightforward if you know your Samsung account's password. Here's how you can go about it. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone, head over to Accounts and Backup, and tap on Manage Accounts. Now select your Samsung account from the list. Tap on Remove Account and select Remove Account again to confirm. Tap on Sign Out, enter your password, and hit OK. That's it. You are done. Don't have access to the Galaxy phone from which you want to remove your Samsung account? Don't worry. It's possible to remove your Samsung account from a Galaxy phone remotely. Here's how to do it. Open the Samsung account website in a web browser on your computer and sign into the Samsung account linked to your Galaxy device. Click the Devices tab in the top right corner. Locate the Galaxy device from which you want to remove the account and click the Sign Out option next to it. Select Sign Out again to confirm. After that, your Samsung account will be removed from the Galaxy phone. And there it is. You have successfully removed the account from your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech, like and share this video if it helped. Also, dive into our other videos, lined up and curated for you.